The Engage, Analyse, Charges screen, account summary and deposit printouts are essential tools for schools to manage finances. So I've come to Sales Analysis, selecting Analyse Charges and filtering on lunch. Then I'm selecting any amount greater than or equal to, and I'm just putting in 1. And then all I need to do is click View, and then I can see all of those outstanding amounts over here on the right-hand side. When I click on the little postcard icon, this sends out template-based communications to parents regarding outstanding payments, like reminders for unpaid lunches or trips. And so I can select those previously created templates or create a new template. So I'm going to send this out to the parent portal. I'm giving it a title here, and I can see the outstanding charges there, and then simply clicking mail merge. So this will start to gather all of that data together, and then I can see that it brings up some key notices here. So now I want to send these notices straight out to the portal. I've got 73 of them to send out. So I'm doing that mail merge now, sending the notices out to the parents' portal, and it is very, very quick to send out these mass communications. I then get another message asking me if I want to preview. I'm going to say no, and whether I want to save it to the document management system, and I say no. So very simple and easy to analyse the charges, send out key communication to parents via print, email, portal or SMS.